Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Ranum, and today I will be talking about the educational tool Popplet. Popplet is a technology-based tool that students can access on their webpage, www.popplet.com, or on their app. Simply put, Popplet is an easy way to visualize your information. So just a quick overview on what Popplet is. Popplet was founded in 2010 as a tool for organizing your ideas and information in a visual way. I myself am a visual learner, so I found this tool to be very useful. Popplet is a website and app-based tool with an app available on Apple devices only. Popplet offers free and paid options. The free option is their website only, and it allows users to create 5 free Popplets. The paid option offers monthly or yearly subscriptions at $3 a month or $30 a year. A cool feature of their paid subscriptions is that they do offer a classroom subscription plan where they offer discounted rates per student, with the discount being higher the more students that you have. This brought the cost down to around $2 a student per month. The paid option is a little expensive, in my opinion, if you start to add up the cost of the entire classroom for an entire year. But it is nice that they do offer a free option. So now I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to create a Popplet. Okay, so that shows you just how quick and simple it is to create a Popplet. Popplet has a wide variety of uses in the classroom. It can be used for brainstorming activities as a group or individually, collecting facts for a research topic to prepare for a project, and for categorizing ideas, words, or concepts. And this application can be used across any area of study at any grade level. More uses in the classroom include idea boards. You don't have to connect your Popples. You can simply create visual idea boards with pictures, videos, and information about a topic or place. Timelines are also very easy to create with Popplet. And another use is creating study guides, which also can be used in any subject area. And finally, for teachers, Popplet is also very useful in the classroom. You can create lesson plans and help lesson organization, seating charts, presentations, and quick warm-up activities. My favorite part about Popplet was its versatility. Popplets can consist of text, pictures, videos, or drawings, making them extra customizable and allowing students to be creative. Also, Popplet can be utilized by any grade level and any subject. And what's best about Popplet is it's so easy to use. Popplet is very user-friendly and intuitive to create. Users are quickly able to create visual diagrams with an immense amount of multimedia information. So overall, Popplet is a quick and easy tool for creating mind maps and visual diagrams that have multiple uses in education. Furthermore, students will be able to see connections and relationships between their information. It will be very useful in the science classroom as a way to engage students with technology by allowing them to classify data, organize research projects, and create idea boards on scientific topics. Okay, so now I will show you a guided tutorial on how to create a Popplet. So, how to Popplet? First, you're going to visit www.popplet.com and sign in or create a free account. Once you are logged in, click on Make New Popplet. Type in the name of your Popplet and select a color. Click Make It So. To begin your Popplet, create a popple by double-clicking anywhere on the screen. And your popple is going to be the building blocks of your Popplet. Click on the circle icon under your popple to change the color, and there's a few different colors to choose from. To enter text, click on the A icon, where you can change the size and alignment of the text in your popple. Next, create a new popple by clicking on the gray dots on the outside of your first popple. You can click and drag your popple to change its position anywhere on the screen. You can change the size of your popples by clicking the arrow on the outside corner of the popple and dragging. And this can be used to either increase or decrease the size of your popple. To add an image to your popple, click on the image icon on the bottom of the popple. Select from your computer and upload an image saved in the Pictures folder. To add text under your picture, click the A icon to label your picture. To add comments to a popple, click on the popple you would like to comment on and click the black thought bubble that appears. This will open a hidden popple where you can write comments. This is used to be as a way to kind of show comments but not muck up your popple. To add drawings to your Popplet, start by creating a new popple by clicking on the gray dot on either side of your first popple. Then click the pen icon and select the color you would like to draw on and create your picture. Finally, keep adding to your Popplet and expand your mind map. And remember to be creative and have fun.